All right, boys and girls. We're going to transition over to ELA. So put your journal writing away. Table 1, see you ready. Table 1 looks ready. Table 2 looks ready. Table 3 looks ready. Today we are going to learn about prefixes. All right, that is the topic for today's ELA lesson, prefixes. And our learning target today will be, we are going to create words using prefixes. That is our learning target. The vocabulary that you will see today is prefix. Everybody say prefix.
Prefix.
Root word.
Root word.
Un.
Miss.
Re.
And
affix.
affix.
Okay. And the task for you will be, you will take root words and add prefixes to them to make new words. Okay, that's what you will be trying to accomplish today. All right. So the definition of prefix is a word, letter, or number placed before another. And here's a couple examples of prefixes and what it means. So un means not. Un means not. So examples of the word un with the prefix is unhappy. Say unhappy.
Unhappy.
Untangle.
Untangle.
And unzip.
Unzip.
Re means to do again. And a couple words with re in the beginning for the prefix is restart,
Restart.
rebuild,
Rebuild.
and remix.
Remix.
And miss means wrong. Okay? And some words are misguided,
Misguided.
mistake,
Mistake.
and misbehave.
Misbehave.
All right. And to get you further acquainted with prefixes, I have a short video from YouTube that talks about prefixes. Okay. Janessa, can you turn off the lights for me, please? Thank you. Like the way everyone's sitting quietly. Great job. Thank you, Janessa. All right.
An affix is a word part that is attached or affixed to a root word. Sometimes an affix comes before a root word or stem, and sometimes it comes after. When it comes before the root word, it is called a prefix.
Kaylee, when it comes before the word, it is called a what?
Prefix.
A prefix. Good job. Good job, Kaylee.
The root word is the main part of a word that gives that word its basic meaning. When you attach a prefix to a root word, you change its meaning. Even if you're unaware of it, you've surely heard one of these in the past. In fact, you just heard a prefix in that sentence. Unaware is a combination of the word aware and the prefix un. Un means reverse or opposite, so adding it to the word aware makes it mean the opposite of aware or not aware. See,
what is the root word of unaware? What is the root word of unaware? Matthew?
Aware.
Aware. Great job. And what is the prefix in the word unaware? Zarieja? Un. Good. Put those two words together and it forms a new word. Great job, guys.
see how the prefix un changed the meaning of the word? Let's look at some other examples of prefixes you might have heard before. And just like un, they all have meanings that, when added to a root word, will change its meaning. There's re, that means again. So if we add it to a root word like play, we get replay, which means to play again. Or to a root word like organize, and we get reorganize, which means to organize again. Pre is another one. Pre means before. Let's add pre to a couple of words and see what we get. How about school? You go to preschool before you go to school. Pre-school. And how about fix? Add pre to it and you get prefix. And now we know that a prefix is something you attach before your root word. Makes sense, right? Just keep in mind that while the root or stem of a word tells you the basic meaning, a prefix can change everything.
Okay. From the video you just watched, thumbs up if that gave you some better understanding of what a prefix is. Thumbs up if it did. Thumbs down if you're still confused. Okay, so everybody feels more comfortable with what prefix means? Thumbs up if you do. Good job. Okay, I'm going to go over a few examples of a prefix. I'm going to do the root word, and I'm going to also do the prefix, and I'm going to put it together to show you that it makes new words. So the first word that I am going to do is Can someone raise their hand and tell me what that word is? Galen?
Remake.
Remake. And what is the prefix in that word right there? Diani? What is the prefix?
Re.
Re. Good job, Diani. And what does re mean, Diani? What does re mean?
Mean.
Can someone help Diani out? What does re mean? Janessa?
To do it again.
To do it again. Okay, so we are going to separate that because we know that that is the what? What is it?
Prefix.
The prefix. And the root word is what? What is the root word? Cindy?
Make.
Make. Okay? Root word. Prefix. Root word prefix. All right? So that means to do it again. So if your mother says, we are going to remake the kitchen. What is she saying? You are going to do what? Kaylee?
Make the kitchen better.
Make the kitchen better or make changes, right? All right, so remake. Are we going to do another one? All right, so this time we are going to say, we're going to say this word. What is that word? Nasir?
Dishonest.
Dishonest. Good. Nasir. And do you know what the prefix in that word is?
This.
So we're going to separate it. This. And what is the root word? Anaya?
Honest.
Honest. Good job, Anaya. So the root word, honest. Okay? So you said that, Nasir said that the prefix is this. So that's the prefix. Root word. Okay? So, what is the definition of dishonest? What is the definition of dishonest? Mayrani?
Not telling the truth.
Not telling the truth. Good job, Mayrani. Not telling the truth. That is the definition of dishonest. Okay? So, if we didn't have this word here, it would just be honest. And honest means that you what? You're telling the truth. If you add this word, it's a completely new word, and it means what now?
Dishonest.
Dishonesty. You're not telling the truth. We're going to do one more. All right? What is that word? Jeremiah? Repay. Good. And what is the prefix in the word repay? Re. So we're going to separate that so we know what it is. And the root word is Jaylene?
Pay.
Pay. Good job. Underline pay. Okay. So that the prefix is re. And the root word is pay. What is the definition of repay? Matthew?
Repay, the definition of repay is to pay again.
To pay again. Good job, Matthew. So, if we take this, if we take re away, it's just pay, correct?
Yes.
And pay means that you paid, right?
Yes.
Paid once. Now, if you add this again, you add re, then you paid what?
Again.
Paid again more than once, right?
Yes.